All right, the first set of flagship phones have arrived in India only a few weeks ago. We had the OnePlus 15 powered by Snapdragon's 8 Elite Gen 5, and I'm sure OnePlus has a lot more in store for us for the rest of this year. And today I have with me the CEO of OnePlus India, Robin Liu, and I also have Saurabh with me, who's the head of mobile compute and XR business at Qualcomm India. Robin, let me start with because I know that OnePlus 15 has already launched, and we're going to talk about that. But let me start with something very interesting, which we have been teasing for the last few days, and that's the OnePlus 15R. We know that it will come because usually the two phones launch together. This year you have spaced them out. When is the 15R coming? What can you tell us about that?
Okay, so first question is that the 15R launch event will be happening on December 17th. So it's very close to now. So we are excited to announce that this time we launch the 15R. So with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which is exciting another premium chipset. So supported by the Qualcomm. So and of course this chipset is especially very different for us. So because this year we really the first time to launch this kind of a full dual flagship devices together. So in the year, and also for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, there'll be a very exciting story beyond it. So OnePlus and Qualcomm has done the code definition and also code optimization on the chipset itself, starting from back to 24 months back. So because compared to the industry, normal 4 months code turning, so this time we have to spend more than 24 months for the code definition and also code optimization to improve the performance of the chipset.
So it's been 2 years into making it.
Yeah, 2 years. Yeah.
Two things Robin has confirmed. One, that the phone will launch on December 17th, and it will come with a new chipset, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. We spoke about the chipset, right? But people actually want to see the phone as well. So do you have the 15R with you? Can you show it?
Yeah, of course. I have been using the phone, for a couple of times. It's really, amazing. So from the design, you can see it's really new design language, and of course line up with our 13S and the OnePlus 15 together, the new design language. And also this time, there will come some, new color, new design. So I think stay tuned. Yeah.
So that's the very first look of
Yeah.
the OnePlus 15R. If you can just show it very nicely on the camera so people can have a very clear look. This is what the phone will look like, very similar to 13S, similar sort of a design language, but a new color. Anything else that you can tell us about this particular device?
Yeah, so I think first of all, so the chipset, as we said, that is really a code definition and a code optimization together with between OnePlus and Qualcomm. From the performance perspective, so we are focusing a lot of optimization on the performance itself, and also we focus on the 7 areas, starting from the performance, the gaming, the imaging, the AI, the networking, display, and the connectivity. So these areas we got a lot of feedbacks from our users and community. They really want better performance and experience with the devices. So this is why we started 24 months back together with the Qualcomm team to optimize the chipset performance and also the device performance. And also come with the new design. So the 15R is also come with the most IP rating durability in the industry with IP68, 69, and 69K. So that means it's really the durability, the most durable devices in the industry. And of course, with OnePlus brand, we also give the lifetime warranty on devices. So this is the first commitment in industry. So the industry do not issues on that.
All right. Now, performance and gaming is something which Robin has spoken about. Sort of what do we expect, especially when I compare this chipset to a 8 Gen 5 Elite 5, basically? What sort of performance should people expect on this device?
As I was saying, we have done a lot of improvement on 8 Gen 5. If I talk about the, improvements across the platform, the CPU on this chipset is 36% better than compared to last generation. GPU is 11% better. Big enhancements on the AI segment, right? 46% improvements on the AI. These are the performance improvement we have done, but at the same time, efficiency is very important. So power efficiency, if I talk about across the charts, CPU is 42% better in terms of power efficiency. GPU is 28% power efficient. Overall, as a SoC level, a 13% power efficient SoC. Lot of improvements compared to the last generation. This is going to be bring a lot of flagship level features on OnePlus 15R.